Okay, I got X10 open here and my library browser open. And this is the way I like to have it configured. Go over to Edit Preferences and Library Browser. Now I've got it set to, Preview pane's horizontal. Since the preview pane is vertical, I'm not quite sure where they're coming from. But anyway, this is the way I like it, and it's set horizontal, although it's vertical. Okay, the preview pane you can set to standard or vector view. I like standard, so I've got that set up that way. Now let's go over here to materials, artwork, and I'm not quite sure why you're not getting this, but if you click here and select a particular material, and you get a preview of it across a material here. Let's go to something else besides artwork. We'll go to landscaping, bark and mulch. And this is what you should be getting. If you're not, you need to call tech support and get some professional help to figure out why it's not like this, because this is what you're supposed to see in the library browser, okay? There's nothing mysterious going on here other than something on your computer which you need to figure out. Now, let's look at these icons down here. That's preferences for the library browser, right there. And then you can choose to have this be a sphere or a cube, like I had, a teapot, or a plane. Yeah, I don't particularly care about that one way or another. Cube works for me. Um, Preview display, this might be turned off. Okay, now it's showing in vector view. Okay, and then this automatically well, it's not automatic. You click on it and it changes from vector view or to standard render. This you can turn the preview panel off right here. Preview panel off, on, and that turns off that panel. Now I like those panels turned on. Turn this back on. Turn that back on. I just need to, oh yeah, there we go. Now it's back. So there's controls here, and also in edit preferences. You can also get edit preferences here from the library browser. And what's that? Get additional content online, and plant chooser, which I almost never use. You left click on that, and there's a plant chooser. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope this helps some people that are out there having difficulty with their library browser.